Eye bags are a common concern for many people, and finding natural ways to remove them can be a great solution. These pesky under-eye bags can make us look tired and older than we actually are. Fortunately, there are several effective methods that can help reduce and eliminate eye bags without the need for invasive procedures or expensive creams. One of the most important steps in combating eye bags naturally is to ensure you are getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can cause fluid retention and swelling, leading to the appearance of eye bags. Aim for a minimum of 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. Another natural remedy for eye bags is to apply cold compresses. Cold temperatures can help constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. You can use a chilled cucumber slice, a cold spoon, or even a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a cloth. Gently place the compress on your closed eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes each day to see visible improvements. Hydration is key when it comes to reducing eye bags naturally. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and prevents water retention, which can contribute to the formation of eye bags. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. In addition to staying hydrated, incorporating a healthy diet can also help reduce eye bags. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits, can help improve skin elasticity and reduce inflammation. Avoiding salty foods and excessive alcohol consumption can also prevent water retention and minimize the appearance of eye bags. Regular exercise is not only beneficial for overall health but can also help reduce eye bags. Engaging in activities that increase blood circulation, such as jogging, swimming, or yoga, can promote lymphatic drainage and reduce puffiness around the eyes. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to reap the benefits. Natural remedies, such as applying tea bags or cucumber slices, can also provide relief from eye bags. The anti-inflammatory properties of tea bags, particularly green tea, can help reduce swelling and tighten the skin. Simply steep the tea bags in hot water, let them cool, and place them on your closed eyes for about 15 minutes. Similarly, chilled cucumber slices can provide a soothing and cooling effect, reducing puffiness and eye bags. Lastly, proper skincare is essential in preventing and reducing eye bags. Using a gentle eye cream or serum specifically formulated for the delicate under-eye area can help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of eye bags. Look for products that contain ingredients like caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, as they can help tighten and brighten the skin. One additional natural method to remove eye bags is through facial massage. Gentle massaging movements can help improve blood circulation and lymphatic drainage in the under-eye area, reducing puffiness and promoting a more youthful appearance. Using your fingertips, apply a light pressure and massage the area around your eyes in circular motions for about 5 minutes each day. Moreover, getting enough vitamin E in your diet can also contribute to reducing eye bags naturally. Vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties, which can help protect the skin and improve its elasticity. Foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds. Incorporating these into your diet can support overall skin health and reduce the appearance of eye bags. Additionally, practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress levels. High levels of stress can contribute to the development of eye bags, so finding ways to relax and unwind can have a positive impact on their appearance. One important aspect to consider when trying to remove eye bags naturally is to avoid excessive rubbing or pulling on the delicate skin around the eyes. This can lead to further inflammation and exacerbate the appearance of eye bags. Instead, gentle tapping or massaging motions should be used when applying products or remedies to the under-eye area. Additionally, avoiding exposure to direct sunlight without adequate protection can also contribute to the development of eye bags. Ultraviolet UV rays can damage the collagen and elastin fibers in the skin, leading to loss of elasticity and increased sagging. Therefore, wearing sunglasses and applying sunscreen to the entire face, including the under-eye area, is crucial in preventing the formation of eye bags. Furthermore, incorporating stress-reducing activities into your daily routine can greatly benefit the appearance of eye bags. High levels of stress can contribute to fluid retention and inflammation, leading to the development of eye bags. Engaging in activities such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can help promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. One often overlooked factor in reducing eye bags naturally is maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Besides getting enough sleep, it is important to have a regular sleep routine, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. This helps regulate the body's internal clock and promotes better sleep quality. Additionally, avoiding exposure to blue light from electronic devices before bed can further enhance the benefits of a good night's sleep. Another natural method to reduce eye bags is using essential oils. Certain oils, such as lavender or chamomile, have soothing properties that can help decrease puffiness and inflammation. Simply mix a few drops of the oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or almond oil, and gently massage it into the under eye area before bedtime. Furthermore, practicing good eye hygiene is essential for preventing and reducing eye bags. This includes removing makeup before sleep, avoiding harsh rubbing or tugging on the eyes, and using a clean, soft towel to pat the face dry. These simple habits can prevent further irritation and minimize the chances of developing eye bags. One crucial factor in naturally removing eye bags is ensuring proper hydration. Dehydration can contribute to the appearance of eye bags as it causes the skin to become dry and dull. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day can help maintain skin elasticity and prevent the formation of eye bags. In addition to water, herbal teas such as chamomile or green tea can also provide hydration and have soothing effects on the under eye area. Moreover, incorporating facial exercises into your skincare routine can help strengthen the muscles around the eyes and reduce the appearance of eye bags. For instance, gently closing your eyes and placing 2 fingers on each eyelid, applying slight resistance while trying to open your eyes, can help tone the eyelid muscles. Repeat this exercise for about 5 minutes each day to see noticeable improvements in reducing eye bags. Furthermore, using natural remedies such as aloe vera gel can also be beneficial in reducing eye bags. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and tighten the skin. Simply apply a small amount of pure aloe vera gel to the under eye area and gently massage it in circular motions until fully absorbed. This can be done twice a day for best results. In addition to applying topical treatments, ensuring a balanced diet can play a significant role in reducing eye bags naturally. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon or chia seeds, can help reduce inflammation and promote healthy skin. Additionally, consuming foods high in vitamin K, like kale or broccoli, can strengthen blood vessels and minimize the appearance of under eye circles. Apart from external remedies, acupuncture is a traditional method that can be used to reduce eye bags naturally. This ancient Chinese practice involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the face, which can improve blood circulation, reduce fluid retention, and diminish eye bags. It is recommended to seek assistance from a licensed acupuncturist who specializes in facial rejuvenation for optimal results. Furthermore, proper posture can contribute to reducing eye bags naturally. Slouching or hunching can affect blood flow and fluid drainage around the eyes, leading to the appearance of eye bags. Maintaining good posture, especially while sitting and sleeping, can help improve circulation and prevent fluid buildup. Aligning your spine and lifting your chin slightly can make a noticeable difference in reducing eye bags over time. Additionally, applying a homemade coffee mask can help reduce eye bags and provide a refreshing sensation. Coffee contains caffeine, which can constrict blood vessels and reduce puffiness. Simply mix freshly ground coffee with a small amount of water to create a paste, then apply it to the under eye area. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. This remedy can be done once or twice a week to effectively reduce eye bags. One unconventional, but effective method to naturally remove eye bags is by using a jade roller. In conclusion, there are various natural ways to reduce and eliminate eye bags without invasive procedures or expensive creams. Ensuring enough sleep, applying cold compresses, staying hydrated, and maintaining a healthy diet are key. Regular exercise, using tea bags or cucumber slices, proper skincare, facial massage, and incorporating vitamin E are also effective. Relaxation techniques, avoiding excessive rubbing or sun exposure, and stress reduction activities are important. Consistent sleep schedule, essential oils, good eye hygiene, and proper hydration are crucial. Facial exercises, aloe vera gel, balanced diet, acupuncture, and maintaining proper posture can also help. Applying a homemade coffee mask and using a jade roller or additional methods to consider.